Hi, I'm Manish. Today I'm going to unbox this parcel sent by my friend Soham Adarkar. He and his friends are running a store, online cube store, that is cubenamastore.com, and he said he is sending a cool puzzle. So I don't know what he has sent. So let me unbox this and let's see what he has sent. So okay, so this is cube nama. I mean, he and his friends are basically speed cubers, and they are running this store. Okay, so he has sent this. Okay, so this is cube cover. You can, I mean, it's cube pouch, excellent pouch, quality is very nice. And this is cubenamastore.com sticker. Oh, hey Manish, happy belated birthday to you. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this puzzle. So okay, so okay, so oh okay, I think this is Ruben King 5x5. So Ruben King has got special sticker scheme, wherein you will see each opposite sides, like this is black, so opposite of black will be yellow, or if this is white, then it will be yellow on the opposite side. So both opposite colors are on the same face, on the same side, both the sides. So here there are two colors, black and yellow, here also black and yellow, and similarly here it is green and blue, and opposite of this is green and blue, and the same case is here, red and orange, and red and orange. So this is very challenging cube. I mean, not very challenging, but it is challenging because you can see there are two similar edges on the same side. So if you look at this side, here it is black and green, and here it is yellow and green. So sometime it mixes with the sides, and it gives a challenge. So it is very interesting and cool puzzle. I really liked it, and I'll first solve this. I have never solved this Ruben King 5x5 or Ruben King any Ruben King puzzle. So first I'll solve this, and thank you Soham for this wonderful gift, and thank you guys for watching.